How to log into OKX account 2024. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log into our OKX account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to actually log into your OKX account, you want to simply open up the OKX app and make sure that you go to the login screen. If you have not yet an account, you can go to the sign up screen. Now all you have to do is either enter your phone number or your email address. Then from here you simply want to make sure to enter the email address associated with the OKX account. Tap on the next option there. Then once you've done that, you simply have to log in with your passkeys if you have got some passkeys, or you can simply select login with password. Make sure to enter your login password and tap on the login option. Now if you forgot your password, then you can tap on forgot your password option. If you want to see what password you've typed in, you can tap on the I button right next to it in order to view your current password. But to give you an idea, this is how you can go ahead and then basically log in to your OKX wallet account. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.